Hello, everyone. My name's Joelle. Welcome to day 21 of the 28-day head-to-toe yoga challenge. We've been at it for 3 weeks already, so a big congratulations if you're sticking to this habit of healthy daily movement with me. And today we have a yoga for adductors, groin, and inner thighs practice. So standing up nice and tall, taking a few deep breaths here. Feeling the crown of the head rising towards the ceiling. And then we'll open the eyes, toe heel the feet a little bit further out, wider than your hips. Inhale the arms up, and exhale to squat down, pressing the knees out. And inhaling back up and squatting down. And just keep going with your breath here. Thinking about bringing the knees over the toes, not letting them collapse inwards. And the next time you're down, place the hands on the thighs and we'll simply bring the right shoulder towards the mat. So twisting towards the left, using the hands to encourage the knees a little bit further apart as you sink an inch lower. And then we'll switch sides, left shoulder coming towards the mat as we twist right. And noticing any sensations here that may come up in the inner thighs. Letting your inhales and exhales sink you lower. Beautiful. Let's stand our way back up, widen the feet a little bit more, turn the right foot towards the right, and the left foot parallel to the short edge of the mat. And we'll bend the front knee into warrior two. So reaching the arms out in opposition, gazing over your right fingertips. Sinking a little bit lower here. And then straightening that front leg. And we'll come into triangle pose. So reaching forward with the right fingertips. And then exhaling to lower the right hand down. Maybe the fingertips find the mat. Maybe the hand rests to the inside of the shin. And reaching that left arm up. Wonderful. Let's inhale our way back up. Turning the feet to the left now. And exhaling to sink into warrior two with the left leg in front. So bending that knee, keeping it over the front ankle, reaching the fingertips of both hands far away from each other. Maybe sinking a little bit deeper here. Still pressing that front knee towards the little toe side of the foot. And let's inhale our way back up. And exhale into triangle pose. So tilting the upper body forward, leaning down, bringing that left hand to the inside of your front straight leg, and reaching the right arm up. Wonderful. We'll inhale our way back up here. Turn both sets of toes towards the front now. Inhale to lean back just slightly, and exhale into a forward fold. And you're welcome to keep a little bend in the knees here. You might take hold of opposite elbows, just like we do in our day one warm-up. Or you might take hold of the outer calves or the ankles, and just encourage the upper body a little bit lower here. Thinking about spreading the sit bones. And then let's inhale our way back up and step to the front of the mat. And once you've arrived, let's inhale the arms up, sweeping tall. And exhale, folding down. Inhaling, come up halfway. And exhaling, step it back into plank and lower to the mat. Inhaling, cobra pose, pull the shoulders back. And exhale, child's pose. Resting here for a few nice deep breaths, letting the body find a sense of calm and gratitude. And let's bring ourselves up to hands and knees, sticking the right leg straight out to the side, kind of like a kickstand, and we'll sink the upper body into puppy pose. So the forehead comes in the direction of the mat, the arms reach away from you, the hips are high. Feeling the stretch into those right adductors here. And just let this pose soften. And let's press our way back up, bringing that right leg in and extending the left leg out now, coming back into this puppy pose. Sinking into those left adductors now a little bit more, softening here. So many of us have tight adductors, myself included. It's such an important area for us to be stretching out today. So well done to you. And let's inhale our way back up, back to hands and knees, and then sitting yourself down onto the mat, bringing the soles of the feet together into butterfly, and then extending that right leg out into half butterfly. So the sole of the left foot is to the inside of the right thigh, and you might prop yourself up tall, or lean your way forward. We've been here before. Nice deep stretch here for those inner thighs. And of course, that right leg can stay a little bit bent. Just noticing wherever you feel this sensation. As we bring ourselves back up, bring the soles of the feet back to butterfly and widen the feet just a little bit, just about a foot apart. And we're going to squeeze the knees in towards each other and then open back out to butterfly. So just a few repetitions here, working those inner thighs now, strengthening those adductor muscles. A couple more. One more. And then extending out through that left leg, bringing the sole of the right foot towards the inner thigh, sitting up nice and tall. Or option to exhale your way forwards. Discovering any differences in this second side as compared to the first. Lengthening the lower back. And then walking yourself back up to straighten the spine. Coming to a comfortable cross-legged position or any other seated position that you would like. Shaking it off, rolling the shoulders back as we bring the hands to prayer in front of the chest. For some nice deep breaths together here. Observing as always any changes that have been created by today's practice as we continue these healthy daily habits. And tomorrow on day 22, we'll move from the inner thigh to the front of the thigh to lengthen and strengthen our hip flexors. It'll be a good one. So I will see you then. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Namaste.